Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alex Pom。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And as you know, I always have a lot of questions for Alice, especially about Hakka. 其实从我们这个单元开播以来呢，每一次呢都有好多问题要问你哦，东问西问，左问右问，上问下问，不知道你会不会问到很烦？
问乜雞啊？
问很多东西啊，但是有一个东西我反而没有问到。
乜嘅
And there's one thing I haven't asked Alice about, and that is how to ask a question in Hakka.
計你肯嚟教你？
啊？什么？
現在我教你。
现在教我吗？好。比如说，如果我要问说，我看到一个字啊，然后我要说，请问这个字客家话怎么念 ？If I want to ask, how do you pronounce this word in Hakka? How do I say that in Hakka?
請問，
請問，請問，
倆雜絲，
你俩像
倆雜絲這個字
哦，俩雜絲這個字 ，this word
客家話
啊，客家話
用嚟念，
用嚟念哦，
或者用嚟讀。
聽來就尿尿的那種感覺。
有時候人家說怎麼念怎麼讀。
哦，念 ，OK， 了解。So that's how you say, how do I pronounce this word in Hakka?
請問，
請問，
倆雜絲，
倆雜絲
客家話，
客家話
用嚟念，
用嚟念，
用嚟讀。
用嚟讀。How about this? What does this line mean? 如果是一整個句子，我要問說，這句話是什麼意思？
請問倆句話，
請問倆句話
係乜嘅意思？
黑馬該意思哦，這大概比較聽得懂了。請問這句話到底是什麼意思？
對對對對。
Okay, so that means, what does this line mean? And finally, like me, I always don't understand what you're saying. Then I have to say, can you repeat again?
做得個，
做得個，
重複100模。
重複100模。Okay, so let's review those 3 lines. If you want to ask in Hakka, how do you pronounce this word? 這個字客家話怎麼念呢？
請問，
請問，
倆雜絲，
倆雜絲，
客家話用嚟念，
用嚟念，
用嚟讀
or 用嚟讀。And then, what does this line mean? 請問這句話什麼意思？
請問，
請問，
倆句話，
倆句話
係乜嘅意思？
係乜嘅意思？ And finally, please repeat again.
做得個重複100模。
做得個重複100模。
Yeah!
I got it. Okay. Hopefully, I won't be asking Alice to repeat her sentences over and over again. But thank you for listening to our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.